Got my little bunnies out there. There they are. It's hard to see through the rain-watered glass. There they are, my buddies, out there, hanging out underneath the bird feeder. That's what it falls from the birdies. Boy, they're out early today. Yeah. It's not even close to being evening. Huh. Must be hungry. Put themselves out there that early. Birds are still kicking out there though. Boy, they go through that feed pretty good, even without the squirrels hitting it. These bunnies, they get their fill too. Oh, hey Pidgey, or Love Dove. There's usually 2 at a time out there, 2 or 4 or 6. They come in pairs usually. That's weird to see just one. What do you think, Bun Buns? Alright, y'all. Have a safe night. Oh, there they are. Peace and love. Stay warm and safe out there.